Okay, hello, good morning again, kids. So, natapos na inyong mga math. Okay, so I hope din tapos inyong math. Ang lesson natin sa math bago lang is about Roman numerals. So, wala na siya ginaano, kundi sa ulo na siya. Excuse me, ginasa ulo na siya, pag gina-memorize na siya. Okay, and as well as, mamangkot bisimis, so magkit-anay na mangkot bisimis, what is the Roman numeral number of 1? Oh, you say I. What is the Roman numeral number of 2? So, I. Okay? So, i-memorize na 1 to 10 lang danay. 1 to 10 lang danay. Kaya that's one isog ko lang pag ginaninis sang damo. Okay, so today, get your notebook number 2. English naman at this point of time. English. Okay? So, get your notebook number 2 and write this. Okay, write S as in sun. Oh, okay. So you're going to write big and small letter S. Namio ng agi, kinatandaan ko pa ng iba ng mga bata nga ang agi gid kalaw-ay wala ginatupong sa linya. Di ko na magbaton. Sang mga bata nga ginalaw ay ang agi. Wait a moment, kay pala ko yung skinny. Okay. Okay, so please get your notebook number 2 and we are going to write this one. Write S as in sun. Dira man mismo sa notebook number 2, hindi na napagkopyahon, dira sa balay isulaton. May space dapat. Okay, so before you're going to write it, I would like you to look at this video to teach you how to write the letter S correctly. Okay, so butangan na yung lapis kag ang notebook da. Take a look at here.
Please click and subscribe. Hi,
Kids, welcome to the classroom.
Welcome to the classroom.
Let's learn how to write the letter S.
S.
S as in snake. We'll start with uppercase or big
the
S.
Big S.
To write uppercase S, we'll start in the top corner
Yeah, look at
and
that.
do a big curved line around.
Oh,
Then we'll do a big curved line the other way.
all right.
Good job.
Good job.
Let's do that again.
One more time.
We'll start in the top corner and do a big curved line around. Then we'll do a big curve the other way.
Correct. Oh, very good.
Good job.
Good job.
Now
Okay,
you
last
try.
time. Try. Oh. Up. Curve. Down.
Good job. Now let's move on to lowercase or little s.
S.
To write lowercase s, we'll start in the middle.
Middle.
And we'll do a little curved line
Meaning that
around.
sa middle. Sa middle line. Kung ang mama nga S or a big letter S sa upper line, gasugod, ang baby S is sa middle line. Look at here in this line. It's the middle line. Okay.
Then we'll follow it and do a curve the other way.
The same.
Good
Process.
job. Let's
More.
do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a curved line around.
Yes.
Then we'll curve the other way. Good job.
Good job. One
Now
more
you
time.
try. Good job.
See?
Now you know how to write the letter S.
Yes. So that is big and small letter S. So let's go back to your activity over here. And let's going to write it down again. Write S as in sun. So if you're going to read it, okay, sorry. Yes, this one. Write S as in, sorry, here, ale. Write S as in sun. Okay. Now, how do we say this or how do we read this? So usually sa classroom, ginahambal naton big letter S. Look at the arrow. Big letter S, small letter S. Big letter S, small letter S. Big letter S, small letter S. Okay? So are you following? I hope that you are following. Alright? So now, isulaton da, hindi ko magbaton nga ang pangsulat da sang letter S. Hala, ano naman, hala, sige lang da ka. O, ikit-ikit, diri naman ga ikit, gabungguanay, da gaamuamo na, wrong na, ha? Namia na ang agi, o, masulat ka da BX, sa paper nimo. Next, may space na da, dira ka naman sa next naman nga line. Bilang tawong ko, kung makakita ko di bisang paper nga may line kay para ari ay na kakita gid si Miss Gingging dayon kadasig lang. Oh. Ari ay. So, na lantawa bala paano maghimo sini. Oh, may line ko da na paper na sabi ha. Oh. Paano na siya magsulat? Iikit-ikiton yun na da, permilang ikit-ikit, diri so good sa blue, Nan. Munang big S. Small S in the middle. Na. Dasan din ka masugod, diri ha? Diri man yamon mo man ikiton mo inikit-ikit na wrong, hindi ko na magbaton. Namian yun ang anggi nyo. Kung diri naman nag-big letter S ka diri, small letter S, ang small, diri ka naman sa line masugod. Nan. Red to red naman. Tiki wala man kamuda red to red, blue to blue. Basta pihuon gid nga may space sa tunga. Para mag-check man kubla, wala man kubla gasakit akong matada, no? Wala gasakit akong mata. Magtanaw sa mga aging ginapalagpatan. Mga mama nang tawagid ang agi sang mga bata kung magsulat. So, amuni na wala galingin ako no ulo. So, ginbutangan da ni Miss 3 ka leaders. Dira man na sa 3 man ka leaders ma-follow sang ginasulat. Okay? So, you do it. Or you pause this video and do your work. Okay. Now, if you are done, let's see. How do we sound the letter S? Okay? So, usually ginakanta tanino, damo na tani letter nga ginakanta with the letter S. So, let's going to say this one. Let's sing the letter S song. Ready?
Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about
The letter
the letter S.
This is the big letter S.
This is the lowercase s. You know how the S looks now. Let's make the letter S sound.
What's the sound? S, 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 s. Again. S, 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 s.
Yes.
Alrighty.
S is for snake.
Hey.
S is for summer.
Soccer.
S is for saxophone.
Saxophone.
And S is for sock.
Chess.
S is for swing. S is for sister.
Sister.
You know some S words now. Let's make
The letter S sound. On sound. Here we go.
your
One more
turn.
time. Good job.
S.
Okay, so what letter is this? Oh, very good. Okay. So, good job. So, that is the letter S. Bitagaan din ni Miss ng prize ang mga bata. Flower. Damo nga flower. And, beautiful eyes. Without, like that. Okay, very good. So, kuno ang mga objects nga nagabigin sa letter S nga inyo nga nakita? What are the words or the objects that you have learned there that begin with the letter F? Number 1, S is for what? Ano to ano? Ano to ano? Snake. Ano ka no? Kita na ka mo snake. Snake, ano? Manog. Nan. Okay. So, some snakes, children, are big, and some snakes, of course, are not that big enough. Okay, so here you go. I will going to put on a picture of a snake. Hindi lang those scary snake Loka so snake lang ano. Okay, this is the snake. Ano na ka no? Snake. Okay, let's change my blackboard. Okay, so what is this? Manoog and snake. Next, another one. Ano to ka no? Summer. Okay, kung summer, of course, it is very hot kay sunny na ang day sa summer. Okay na. What's this kanya? Snake. Summer. O, ano pa? Ano pa to ang mga nagasugod sa letter S sa ganyan sa song? Maybe we're going to add other objects as well. What about here? Do you know what is this? These are, niara ka muna da sa inyo balay. Ano ni siya? Slippers or ginatawag nga chinilas. Ano pa ang ginagamit natin to clean our body, to make ourselves like very hamot. Ano na siyang ginagamit natin? It's the what? Soap. Nan, habon. Kasugod na sa snake, summer, slippers, soap. O, anong what else? Ang nagabigin sa letter S? Ano nga fruit ang nagabigin sa letter S? Yes, okay. So, strawberry. Sino gakaon strawberry? Gakaon ka mo strawberry? Next, balik tayo yung sleepers. Kaya doon nadula ang sleepers ta how? So, ano pa dito? Okay. No pagid. Okay, may pa-activity da yung sinisinging sa inyo. Para mabalaan niyo yung singing kung very good na ginang mga bata. Ano na siya ang ginakaon ninyo? Kung mamatsoy ka mo, may ara ka mo ginahigop nga sabaw. Tawag na sang sabaw nga ginahigop ninyo. It's what we call the soup. Ano na ka no? Soup. Nan. May damo kinds ng soup. Tomato soup. Ano mga tomato soup? Napagid. Ano pag nagasugod sa S, damo-damo, no? Sun. The sun itself is a word that begin with the letter S. Ano pagid? Ano pagid da mambanyo? Ano to gina ang musical instrument nga ginalawag. It is what we call the saxophone. Let's see if I have a saxophone here. Ini siya children nga musical instrument, ginablow na siya gamit ang imo nga ba, okay, kagang imo nga kamot as well, naga press on di sa mga buttons nga ara dira, just like this girl over here. That is saxophone. Okay, so these are just a few of the words that we can learn that begin with the letter S. Okay, so what's this one? Snake. This one? Summer. This one? Soup. Correct. This one? Slippers. Very good. This one? Yes, strawberry. This one? Soap. Very good. This one? Yes. Sun. And this one? Yes. Saxophone. Okay, very good. So, do you have them in your mind? Now, this time, I would like you to flip it on the next page. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw 5 things. Okay, oh, ang letter G ko didaan sa akong nga app do hindi ni siya letter G. So, dito masulat. Okay. Okay? Draw. This is going to be your short exercises and to quiz nyo naman na kay Miss A. Okay. Draw 5 objects that begin with S sound. Okay. So here we go. On the next page, Dira, ano ganyan ba ni Miss Gingging? Please write this down. Okay? You're gonna draw 5 objects that begin with the S. And then, ma-number ka dira. O, butang tabi. Number 1. O, ano dang i-drawingon mo nga nagasugod sa S. Sun. Pwede ka da kahimo. Nga ka mag-exam balaga, paamo ko sini sa inyo. Number 2. Ano pagid? Nagasugod sa S. O, sulat kada asa sa 5. 3. Ano pagidada? Yan. Number 4. Ano pagida ang nagasugod sa S? Oh. Number 5. Ano pagid ang nagasugod sa S? Okay? So, biskan mo ba ka, oh, I don't know how to draw it. O, review ha, di nga atong gin klase. Pwede man da masunod-sunod mo da gamay. Da, biskan hindi gid mo na tsuraya. Basta ikaw na naghimo. Very good na kay Miss. Kagba si Mayban kapag nga mga ginapanumdum, nga mga nagasugod sa letter S nga mga objects, pwede mo di i-drawingon sa aton nga activity. Okay, so that's it for now. Please don't forget this letter S. Okay.